The job description of a forklift operator centers around safely and efficiently transporting materials using industrial trucks, primarily forklifts, within warehouses, construction sites, shipping yards, factories, and other logistics or industrial environments. Forklift operators play a critical role in the supply chain and manufacturing sectors by ensuring that products and raw materials are moved accurately and on time. Their work contributes directly to operational productivity, warehouse organization, and safety compliance. Forklift operators handle tasks that involve lifting, moving, loading, and unloading heavy materials. They must possess the skills and knowledge required to operate various types of forklift equipment, including counterbalance forklifts, reach trucks, pallet jacks, and high lift trucks. These machines, while powerful and efficient, require careful handling to avoid workplace accidents, property damage, or injuries. Therefore, the role demands attentiveness, responsibility, and a strong focus on safety procedures. Beyond basic operation, forklift operators are often responsible for inspecting and maintaining their equipment, ensuring materials are stored in designated locations, and coordinating with warehouse staff and logistics teams. Whether working in a distribution center, dockyard, construction site, or manufacturing facility, their role is vital to maintaining workflow efficiency and minimizing disruptions in material handling processes. Core responsibilities of a forklift operator. The primary duty of a forklift operator is to operate industrial lifting equipment to transport goods from one location to another within a controlled environment. This may involve loading shipments onto delivery trucks, unloading materials from incoming deliveries, relocating stock within a warehouse, or moving heavy equipment on a construction site. In each case, the forklift operator must operate the machinery with skill and caution, following all safety protocols and organizational guidelines. Before using the forklift, the operator is responsible for performing a safety inspection. This pre-operation check ensures that the equipment is functioning correctly, with particular attention to brakes, steering, hydraulics, tires, and forks. Any faults or damage must be reported immediately, and the equipment should not be operated until repairs are completed. This step is crucial in preventing malfunctions that could lead to accidents. Another important task is inventory handling. Forklift operators often use handheld scanners or warehouse management systems to track materials as they are moved, loaded, or stored. Accurate documentation is necessary to maintain updated inventory records and ensure materials are located and dispatched properly. Operators must be attentive to labeling, product codes, and stacking requirements, especially when handling fragile or hazardous materials. In warehouse and distribution settings, forklift operators work closely with shipping and receiving departments to stage orders, prepare pallets, and assist with order fulfillment. They must be able to interpret work orders, locate inventory, and place goods safely in storage racks, trailers, or delivery zones. Proper load balancing and stacking techniques are essential to prevent materials from tipping, falling, or being damaged during transit. As with many industrial roles, maintaining a clean and organized work area is another key responsibility. Forklift operators may be required to clear aisles, sweep floors, and help with general maintenance. Good housekeeping not only promotes operational efficiency but also contributes to a safer work environment. In the middle of this discussion, it's important to highlight that the job description of a forklift operator extends beyond simply driving machinery. It requires vigilance, communication, and responsibility in handling high-value or potentially dangerous goods within dynamic and high-paced settings. Key skills and personal attributes. Operating a forklift demands more than just technical ability. It requires a mix of physical and mental attributes. First and foremost, forklift operators need proper certification and training, which involves both classroom instruction and hands-on practice. Certification standards vary by country and workplace, but all reputable employers require proof of competency and safety awareness. Coordination and motor skills are critical. Operators must be able to maneuver large machines in tight spaces, reverse around corners, and align forks with precision. A steady hand and sharp reaction times are essential to avoid collisions and ensure smooth operation. Awareness of surroundings is perhaps one of the most vital skills. Forklift operators work in busy environments with other personnel, moving equipment, and obstacles. Maintaining spatial awareness and anticipating movements around them help reduce the risk of accidents. Communication is another important skill. Forklift operators need to understand and respond to hand signals, verbal instructions, and written orders from supervisors, warehouse managers, or coworkers. Effective communication ensures operations remain coordinated and efficient. Attention to detail is essential in verifying shipment details, matching barcodes, and correctly documenting inventory movements. Misplaced or mishandled materials can cause bottlenecks in the supply chain and lead to customer dissatisfaction or financial losses. Basic mechanical knowledge is also useful. While operators are not mechanics, understanding how the machinery works helps them detect early signs of malfunction and perform minor maintenance tasks such as refilling fluids or replacing batteries. Physical fitness is required as the job often involves long hours of sitting, occasional lifting or manual handling, and the ability to stay focused in warm, cold, or noisy environments. Endurance and resilience are helpful, especially during long shifts or peak business periods. Work environment and challenges. Forklift operators typically work in environments such as warehouses, factories, construction sites, freight terminals, retail distribution centers, and ports. These locations are often bustling with activity and demand a high degree of focus and discipline. Depending on the facility, operators may work indoors or outdoors, during day or night shifts, and sometimes under extreme weather conditions. One of the most significant challenges of the role is the physical and mental fatigue that comes with long hours of repetitive movements and high levels of concentration. Operators must maintain their alertness to prevent accidents and adhere strictly to safety procedures. Working under pressure, especially when deadlines are tight, can be demanding, making stress management an important attribute. There are also risks associated with equipment failure, human error, and improper load handling. To mitigate these risks, companies invest in regular training, equipment checks, and safety audits. Forklift operators are expected to take an active role in maintaining a safe work environment and to report hazards immediately. Despite the challenges, the role offers stability and steady employment prospects. Industries such as e-commerce, logistics, manufacturing, and construction continue to rely heavily on skilled forklift operators, making it a role that is consistently in demand. Educational background and career path. Most forklift operator positions require a high school diploma or equivalent, along with completion of a certified forklift training program. These programs may be provided by employers, technical schools, or third-party training institutions. Certification includes both theoretical learning and practical assessments to ensure candidates understand how to safely operate different types of forklifts. New entrants often start as general laborers or warehouse assistants before being trained and promoted to forklift operator roles. With experience, operators can move into supervisory roles such as shift leader, warehouse coordinator, or logistics supervisor. Some may even transition into roles involving heavy equipment operation, machinery maintenance, or inventory control. Continuous learning and recertification are often required, especially as regulations and equipment technologies evolve. Employers value operators who are proactive in maintaining their certifications and learning new handling techniques. Conclusion. The job description of a forklift operator outlines a physically engaging and responsibility-driven role that is crucial to the functioning of modern supply chains and industrial operations. Forklift operators do more than drive. They ensure materials are handled safely, operations run smoothly, and inventory flows efficiently from point of origin to point of use. Their role blends machinery expertise, spatial awareness, and operational discipline, making them indispensable in settings where time, accuracy, and safety are paramount. For individuals who enjoy hands-on work, are safety conscious, and seek stable employment in a dynamic environment, a career as a forklift operator offers both challenge and opportunity.